Good afternoon, my English students. This is going to be for those of you who were absent today, Tuesday, September 15th. I'm going to go through the slide presentation with you and tell you what we did so that you can do it. I'm going to go ahead and hit present. Okay. So obviously we read for 10 minutes and I did some reading conferences. Check the thing in Google Classroom where it says English 3 resources, notes, and in there at the very top of the list you'll see Independent Reading Conference calendar. Find your name there because eventually I'm going to talk to you too. Okay, we're gonna read an article by Rick Riley called Extreme Measures, and then we're gonna talk about that article, or what we did, and we did a radar. So let me go ahead and go on. All right, so here is the article that I read to the class. Everybody got a copy, okay? So you're going to pull it up, click on the link, and you're going to read it. You can either print it out, or you can read it from here. It's up to you. If you have a printer available, I would suggest you print it out because you can then do some highlighting and some circling and things. It's just what we did in class. All right, so here's the article. I'm going to let you do that. I'm going to include the slide in the assignment. So once we read the article, you're going to go back and you're going to answer this question. What do you notice Riley doing as a writer to tell Ralston's story? So after reading Extreme Measures, highlight, circle, underline any words or phrases that you think were key to keeping the reader's attention. Look for examples of imagery and anything else that would contribute. This is going along the lines of using imagery to tell a story, to try to get someone's imagination going and to experience it the way you are experiencing it. Remember, well, I don't know if you were here yesterday, but anyway, when we did the Food Network thing and the chefs were trying to describe the food, they weren't allowed to use certain words. The guy wanted them to be more specific. So we're trying to get better at describing things that took place. Okay, so then once we did that, we went back to the seed write that we did called The Best Thing I Ever Ate, and we began looking for 2 or 3 words or phrases that we felt were too general and too cliche so that we could replace them with better words. And I told them they only had to do 2 or 3 words. So once they circled the ones they wanted to replace, they figured out what better things to say, and then we rewrote the seed in their notebooks. All right? And that is what we did today. If you have any questions, send me a private message in Google Classroom or you can email me. Have a great afternoon.